Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
जी.
That is my project. My project name is Parallel Combination of Electricity. They are my teachers. My name is Shivanshi. Their name is Shruti and Khushbu. We are explain you what is parallel combination of electricity.
The circuit has two types of combination, parallel combination and the series combination. Today we are going to explain what is the parallel combination of electricity. In the parallel combination of electricity, we have separated battery, separated switch which is connected with the separated device. Like we have made the project. In the project there is house A. In the house A we have a switch. If we switch on the switch first, then the bulb of the house A glow. If we switch on the second switch, then the house of B will glow. In their both houses have the different switch to glow. And we have also a powerhouse. In the powerhouse there is a LED. If we switch on the third switch, then the LED will glow. And we have also last example. If we switch on the fourth switch, then the street lights will glow. This is our project. If you have any inquiry, then you can ask. Thank you.
Thank you to visit our project.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. This is our project. Its name is Series Combination of Electricity, and she is my teammate. Her name is Aina, and my name is Yada.
The circuit has two types of electric combination, like series combination of electric. In the series combination, the many devices get connected switch. You can see the project, there is only one switch. All devices are operated by one switch. Like
कोई बात नहीं बोलो.
thank you. Access the Gayatri and its alpha from classes. Today we can make the lunar eclipse. It means Chandra Grahan.
A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth aligns perfectly between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon, causing it to appear dim or even reddish.
If the sun's light comes on the earth, then the earth's shadow comes on the moon. Then the moon glow like some dim and some reddish type. The moon becomes on the full moon day at night, and the earth's shadow comes. Then it's glow like few times. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Bhumika.
And myself Divyanshi.
Today we have made the project on how dinosaur extinct flows are made.
The most prevalent accepted theory of the dinosaurs is extinction in massive asteroid. It covers about 66 million years ago, which caused environmental devastation and it impact a long-lasting impact called winter impact.
The asteroid estimated to be 10 to 15 kilometers long in diameter. It includes many earthquakes, tsunamis, and widespread. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself Prasida and I am Kusum from class 7. We have made a project on the solar system.
There are 8 planets in our solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Neptune, Mars, Venus, Uranus, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, and Sun in our solar system.
The sun is the center of the solar system and all planets are revolved around it. The sun is produce heat and light in our solar system. Mercury is the nearest planet from the sun and Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Thank you.
My name is Jessica. Today I made the project name is microscope. Microscope is a medium used to magnify the small object that cannot be seen with naked eyes. I explain. माइक्रोस्कोप एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो हमें छोटी चीज़ों को बड़ी करके दिखाता है जो हम सामान्य आंखों से नहीं देख सकते. The microscope works like a magnifying glass. माइक्रोस्कोप एक मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास की तरह वर्क करता है. The lens in the microscope help to magnify the objects. जो माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर लेंस होते हैं वो हमें उस ऑब्जेक्ट को मैग्नीफाई करने में मदद करते हैं. They were discovered accidentally by the optic about 400 years ago. माइक्रोस्कोप अचानक से ही हमें मिला था. 400 सालों पहले वो थॉईलैंड में हमें मिला था. Today we use very पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप लाइक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माइक्रोस्कोप। आज हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक माइक्रोस्कोप जैसे पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप को यूज़ करते थे।
Newton was on a simple principle. Instead of using electric to make wind like a fan, wind turbine use wind to make electricity. Wind turbine, the base of a turbine around a load which spins a generator which pumps electricity.